In the busy streets of Hangzhou, China, lived a young man who struggled with English, failed in school, and had no connections or special talent, except for one. He believed in the power of never giving up. That boy was Jack Ma, born in a poor family where getting food on the table was an achievement. He wasn't a math genius, nor a computer wizard. In fact, he failed his entrance exam for university 3 times. Most people would give up, but not Jack. After graduation, Jack went job hunting. He applied to 30 different companies. Every single one said no. Even KFC rejected him. Out of 24 applicants, 23 got hired, except Jack. They told me I wasn't smart enough, that I didn't fit the role, that I'd never make it. He even tried applying as a police officer. They looked at him and said, "You're not good enough." Jack had zero technical skills. He didn't know how to build websites. But when he saw the internet for the first time during a trip to the US, something clicked. "I searched the word beer," Jack says, "and found American beer, German beer, but no Chinese beer. That was my light bulb moment." He returned home and started working on an idea. An online marketplace where Chinese businesses could connect to the world. With 17 friends, in a small apartment with no money, they launched Alibaba. People laughed at the name. Investors refused to support him. Tech experts called him foolish. But Jack didn't stop. Alibaba struggled in its early years. Competitors like eBay tried to crush them. But Jack led with heart, vision, and a team that believed in the impossible. Slowly, Alibaba grew and grew, until one day, it became the largest e-commerce company in Asia and one of the most valuable companies on earth. In 2014, Alibaba launched the largest IPO in history, raising $25 billion. Jack Ma, the man who couldn't get a job at KFC, became China's richest man, and one of the most influential entrepreneurs in the world. Once Jack Ma said, "Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." Lessons from Jack Ma's journey. Rejection is not failure. It's redirection. You don't need to be a genius. You need passion, persistence, and purpose. Dream big, even when no one believes in you. Especially then, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Jack Ma.